Welcome to our channel, where we cover Adobe Animate tool by tool. In this video, we will learn about the selection tool and its uses. We'll also understand how to use the subselection tool. The selection tool is your number one and default tool. If you long press on it, you'll see two tools. The selection tool at the top, and the subselection tool below it. The shortcut key for the selection tool is V. And for the subselection tool, it's A. Pressing A on your keyboard activates the subselection tool. The icon for the subselection tool is a white arrow. The selection tool uses a solid black arrow. The selection tool allows you to select an entire object at once. Let's try it now. I'll draw a box using the rectangle tool. Now let's change the fill color. We'll explore the outline part later when we go deeper into the rectangle tool. After making the shape, when you bring the selection tool close to the curved edge, you'll notice a small black square appear. That's an anchor point. When you click, 4 points will appear around the shape. These are called anchor points. The lines between those points are called paths. You can edit those too. Let's say you don't want this corner. Just grab the anchor point with the subselection tool and drag it. See how easily we turned a rectangle into a triangle? This is how you can reshape objects freely. Although it might seem simple, it's quite useful. Especially when you're creating motion graphics or animation, where the shape needs to be changed again and again. You can even make a boat-like shape just by adjusting the points. This is the power of the selection and subselection tools. There's nothing flashy here, but it forms the foundation of all your work. With just these basic tools, you can create impressive artwork and animations. In the next lesson, we'll explore the free transform tool. If you like this video, make sure to like and share it. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. See you in the next class. Bye and take care.